Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 26th of July to 2nd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, let's see for my Leos. All right, so new beginnings, right? New beginnings are making you leave a situation. New beginnings are becoming a problem somewhere. New beginnings in work, new beginnings in love, something very creative, passionate you are feeling, but still it is coming with a lot of restrictions in your life. Might be a love relationship which is, you know, uh, which is actually a tie, an addiction might be for you, for some of you, and it was a new beginning, but it is making you feel restricted. You are not able to do anything because of that, and you are feeling like you have become stagnant. You are not able to move from that situation. I'm feeling. Let's see, your core energy is Knight of Cups, which is the blockage, or the Ace of Pentacles is the blockage. So let's see, why is this, like, why is a love offer coming towards you is not making you feel that way. So let's see this Knight of Cups, the Sun, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so this offer of love might have come in your life really fast, and you found that this is the person because that person might have a really good talking sense, something, you know, very charismatic, and you were like, oh wow, I really wanted this kind of a person. But when they entered in your life became a little stagnant. You know, you were like, oh my god, what I'm doing now, I'm not giving a lot of time to my work now. I'm not able to give time to my other relationships, like your family. You're not able to give time now to other people. So let's see the Ace of Pentacles, Three of Rods, and Page of Rods. So yes, this passion, this new beginning, actually, you know, it was looking to you. It was actually, you were feeling that you are it is more stable energy, but it was just a myth. It was an illusion, and this was never meant to stay. With the Page of Wands, it might have come fast in your life, but it was just a Page of Wands. If this is a person, he or she is very mature kind of a person with whom you are dealing with, and they just come and go. They are just a spark, you know. Okay, so let's see your Eight of Swords, your subconscious energy. Queen of Swords with the Emperor might be an Aries, or might be an air sign. So this is something which you are feeling that you know, in your subconscious energy, you are very, you have become that kind of a person that your emotions are off. Subconsciously, you are not, you were thinking about this person, yes, but you have some rules, and your rules and regulations with which you deal with in your life. It's a no for this person. This person can never enter in your life. This new thing it was a spark, you know that. Because of them your life became stagnant, you know that. So it is your subconscious mind. Somewhere in the back of your mind, you know the things are not right. Then what is it in your conscious? Page of Rods with Knight of Swords and Five of Cups. So sadness is there. There is you are in that place right now where you still seek some kind of attention from this person. Not attention, but you want to have a talk, you want to have a message. Okay, you can just like talk, so what's wrong in that? But you also have some kind of sadness, because this person or this situation was not meant for you. Your life was disturbed because of this situation. Let's see in your past energies with the Ace of Rods, the High Priestess, and Three of Swords. So I really feel that over here in your past energy with the Ace of Rods and Three of Swords, this person was you, and you were entering into a zone. Basically, I should keep it like this: you were entering into a zone where you knew that you are entering into a heartbreak situation. You know that your mindset is very different. You are the High Priestess. Your guts tell you everything. Um, your inner voice, it kinds of talk to you a lot, and you listen to that. But still, you are like, yeah. So what? I should enter. Why shouldn't I not enter into this situation? If that person is meant to be with me, he will be with me, he or she. And if this person is not meant to be with me, then it's also fine. I'm ready to leave. But I see that there is some kind of connection, and you got connected, and that is why you are feeling sad about it. Your future energy is Eight of Cups with Seven of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. I'm seeing that you are moving from this attachment, you are going away from this person. See, you are leaving this person, but there's still a sense of weight, a sense of emotional attachment. You are not involving with this person, like physically, you might not be talking, but mentally, emotionally, you are involved. You still have emotions. You still are waiting that he or she might come back. He or she might talk to you again, might send a message, might send what they actually feel for you. Let's see. Page of Swords and Temperance, Ace of Cups. So this is your energy. You're ready to fight. See how you are aggressive over here. You are ready for that message to come up, and you will tell that person that I hate you, but still that hate will be in a form of I love you. Okay, so you are still thinking, you are still waiting for that offer of love. Okay, so it's your life. We can't say anything, right? Let's see what is the other person's perspective in this. Three of Cups with Four of Wands and the Devil. I'm seeing that this person is meeting other people, and it might be for marriage relationships, might be gatherings. He or she is attending other people's wedding, or some kind of reunions are there. This person is not attached with you anymore, because with the Devil, so whatever that person had, or you both had, it was a karmic imbalance. That was a karmic relationship. You were meant to be together for that much time only, and it's not anymore in your reading. I don't see any kind of reconciliation over here. Let's see the guidance messages. The devil, the lovers, and nine of pentacles. So with the devil and the lovers, it was a strong karmic bond. It was really strong. See how this is like attaching to those feelings, that kind of a feeling where um, you are, you are not able to just not to detach this person or this thing from your mind, but again you are moving towards. So this is so these two cards are more of like um, where you were just it you felt that it is love, but it was not love, it was more of a lust. Okay, so with the nine of pentacles over here, it's like no. So for the time being, it is meant for you to be alone for some time, to become single, to become someone who loves herself or himself, someone who needs to know what you actually need in your life. So these kind of karmic relationships, they will just come and they will go, and it happens, all of your life you're searching for the one in your life, but these are all just past life relationships which you are dealing with. For some people might just make it for some months, some people might even have marriage with this person, they get married to this karmic relationship and it goes on from long time, but at the end they end up in divorce. So if you are not with this person, you are feeling there is a sense of attachment with this person, it is just the attachment of the devil, that kind of attachment. It is not love attachment, my dear. So let's see the Hanged Man in your overall outcome. Seven of Wands and Seven of Swords. So I'm seeing that this person is if he or she comes back, even it is more of to leave you again. So if you are in that karmic relationship with this person, and I'm seeing that you are thinking about it, you will be the one who will take a stand of yourself over here. But this person is a very sneaky person who just thinks about himself or herself. So it's not meant for you. I see over here that this is something, I hear you, that there is some kind of love you are feeling, you might be crying as well, but you have to become this is you, Nine of Pentacles. This is you who just loves herself so much that other people can never destroy you, can never destroy your inner patience, inner peace. So you have to come to this place first, then to think about the new relationships in your life. Alright, so that's all from my side, my Virgos, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.